Touch is one of the most powerful ways we connect and communicate with someone. The other, of course, is through words. But touch, done right, can create a deep bond, especially with a woman. Research shows that men have much more success with women when they understand how and where to touch her. Many men think it's easy, but the truth is it's an art, more complex than it seems. Women are different from men, and that means they enjoy different kinds of touch. They're often more kinesthetic in nature, meaning their sense of touch is stronger than vision, hearing, or other senses. In fact, a woman's body has more touch receptors than a man's, particularly in areas known as erogenous zones. Women know they're more sensitive to touch, which is why they tend to touch these areas more often, about 6 times more a day than men. Now, knowing where to touch is important, but first, you have to know when. If the timing is wrong, it doesn't matter where you touch. It won't have the desired effect. These receptors only respond when she wants to be touched. If she's giving you signs of interest, she's likely open to it. If she isn't, respect that. Many women also appreciate being asked first. Something as simple as, "Can I hold your hand?" This helps break the touch barrier in a comfortable way. So let's talk about the 12 places women love to be touched, and why. First, the hair. Women often love when a man runs his fingers through their hair. It's hard to explain, but it makes them feel safe, cared for, and loved. It's something small you can do while watching TV or waiting for coffee, and trust me, she'll notice. Second, the scalp. The scalp is highly sensitive. Touching or massaging it can give her shivers and instantly relax her. Perfect when she's stressed or nervous. Third, the ears. Both men and women have sensitive ears, but it's something many men overlook. A gentle touch or kiss here can be both emotionally comforting and intimate. Fourth, the neck. A well-known sensitive spot, often portrayed in books and movies. A kiss or soft touch here can be romantic, sexual, or even reassuring. Fifth, the upper back. Many women love having their upper back rubbed or massaged, especially since it's a place they can't easily reach themselves. Sixth, the arms. This is often the first area a man touches, like during a first date, making it a natural and friendly starting point. Seventh, the hands. Holding hands makes a woman feel safe, connected, and valued. Hands are also sensitive, so a light massage can build intimacy. Eighth, the wrists. These are considered both sensual and delicate. A light touch here can be surprisingly powerful, though avoid grabbing unless she likes it. Ninth, the lips. Yes, kissing is obvious, but lips also respond well to a light touch, even just resting your fingers near them. 10th, the inner thighs. This is a clearly intimate area, best reserved for moments when you're already close. 11th, the knees. Surprisingly, a touch here can be comforting, especially in moments when she needs emotional support. And 12th, the waist. It's a distinct part of the female body, often highlighted by clothing, and women love when a man appreciates it with a gentle hold. Finally, there's the face. This is deeply personal. Most people don't like their face touched unless they truly trust someone. If she lets you touch her cheek or face, it's a strong sign of closeness. Some of these spots you might already know, while others may surprise you. But now that you understand both the when and the where, you can master the art of touch and see how the woman in your life responds.